This video is sponsored by TMC Motorsport. Thank you so much, guys, for lending me the device for review. But yeah, let me tell you, so this little baby plugs into the ODB port and essentially allows you to pull the trigger, right? So the trigger here, right? I'll hold that for 3 seconds. Watch the screen. See that? ESC off. That means exhaust sound controller off. But if I hold it for 3 seconds, watch it flash. I mean, the cabin is so quiet, but what that does, it opens up the valves and it gives you a really, really lovely sound at idle, which is something you don't get with the Alfa Romeo Quadrifoglio. Wow, I absolutely am loving this car. Hi guys, welcome to another video and welcome to this review of the Quadrifoglio exhaust sound controller. Squadra tuning exhaust sound controller. Oh wow, this sounds amazing. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Check this little gadget out. Special thanks to TMC Motorsport for letting me make this video. You'll see in a moment. This little gadget effectively turns your gear stick into an exhaust valve opening button. It is so cool. It's got little LEDs on the front which show you that it's active, and it's just a really cool tool to have. Now, I've reviewed this, but I'm actually really interested in getting not this one, the new version of this. And obviously this is a Squadra tuning Quadrifoglio exhaust sound controller, which on the new version not only lets you open and close the valves, but lets you do a burnout mode, lets you track your 0 to 60, and lets you drop the front splitter from the inside of the car. Now that just sounds mind-blowingly good. So for me, if you want to open your exhaust valve, this is certainly for you, but I'm really interested in the new version of this, which has got a million more functions. So enjoy the video. I've certainly enjoyed reviewing it and enjoy the sound of the Quadrifoglio. It really does sound mamma mia. The exhaust sound controller is specifically developed for the Alfa Romeo Giulia and Stelvio Quadrifoglio with the 8-speed automatic gearbox. The ESC will only work when there is no active SGW firewall. The exhaust valves can be opened under all circumstances, so in the A, N and D position. However, the original control strategy runs parallel, so either the ESC dongle opens the exhaust valves or the car does it itself. The ESC dongle cannot force the outlet valves to stay closed. So you plug the dongle into the ODB port under the steering wheel on the right of the dashboard. You'll see that in the video shortly. Then the green LED lights up on the dongle to show you that it's on. You open the exhaust valves by pressing the button on the gear selector for 2 seconds. I found it takes about 3 seconds because maybe I'm counting quickly or I'm just impatient. As soon as you do that, you see the ESC light flash on the dash for about 3 seconds. That indicates that the exhaust is open and you should start to hear that lovely V6 rumble. Closing the exhaust is done exactly the same way. You see a lovely little diagram there of the gear selector. And there's the dongle, and that's pretty much it. Let's go check it out. sponsored by TMC Motorsport. Thank you so much, guys, for lending me the device for review. But yeah, let me tell you, so this little baby plugs into the ODB port and essentially allows you to pull the trigger, right? So the trigger here, right? I'll hold that for 3 seconds. Watch the screen. See that? ESC off. That means exhaust sound controller off. But if I hold it for 3 seconds, watch it flash. I mean, the cabin is so quiet, but what that does, it opens up the valves and it gives you a really, really lovely sound at idle, which is something you don't get with the Alfa Romeo Quadrifoglio as standard. So yeah, I have been testing this little baby for a while and it's about time to send it back. But yeah, it's an absolutely fantastic tool. I love the fact that you can leave it plugged in. You see the light? I'm just gonna try and get the camera to focus. I'm just gonna pull the trigger now. Off. ESC off. And it's gone quiet. It's really hard to tell because I'm using iPhone Pro to film this, and the aircon's on. I'll turn that off. There we go. Let's see if we can get it to make the sound. Pull the trigger. Right, and I'm in advanced efficiency mode as well, and it still sounds wicked. Anyways, I'm gonna go, but thanks for watching the video and I'll see you soon. Peace. Boom. What do we think?